Thanks for joining me today. We're going to do a meditation concentrating on the third chakra, the third eye chakra. So assume a nice, comfortable seated position. Comfortably wiggle around a little bit, nice and comfortable. And then gently close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, you start to come into your breath. You start to notice your breath. You notice the sensations going through your body. You take your arms wherever you'd like, down by your side. Maybe place your hands in your lap or on your knees. Whatever suits you. Maybe you're sitting in a chair, you're sitting on a floor. Find a nice, comfortable seated position. And start to notice that breath. You're breathing in through your nose, and breathing out through your nose. You're sitting up nice and tall. Head's neutral with your spine. As we sit here for the next few minutes, we're mindfully going to internally think and feel our breath and be connected with our breath. And today we're going to concentrate on the third eye. And we're going to connect that spiritual interaction with our rational mind. So if you struggle with thoughts of your spirituality, thoughts of your day-to-day life are in conflict, this meditation is to help get you through some of those thoughts. It's not going to end those thoughts, but we're going to concentrate on that third eye, that wisdom. We're going to take a nice couple of cleansing deep breaths here. On an inhale through your nose. Nice deep inhale in. And exhale through your mouth. One last time, inhale in. And then just start to come back to that normal breath. In through your nose and out through your nose. You're mindfully concentrating on that inhale and exhale. So we're going to take our middle finger, whichever hand you like, and we're going to place it right in between our eyes. This is our third eye. We're going to sit here for a few moments, gently, with our finger on our third eye, just to give us some notice. So as we inhale and exhale, consciously thinking of our third eye. And as you like, you gently drop your hand, let it rest in your lap. Come back to that breath. You're still thinking about that third eye. You're not creating stories at the moment. You're centered and thinking about that light pressure that was in the center of our forehead. And we're beginning to look through that third eye. You're starting to see clarity through that third eye. And as you sit here, you may hear sounds. You may hear your dog barking in the background. You may hear your children screaming, playing in the background. The next few moments, not concentrating on that. We're not letting that write a story for us. We're concentrating on that third eye. We sit here and we breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. And now, as we're concentrating on that third eye, as you inhale, exhale, you start to see an orb in the center of our forehead. The color of the orb is violet. It's bright. It's clear. It's the most beautiful violet you've ever seen. And you're concentrating on this orb as it floats in between your eyes. And this is your third eye. This is your third eye chakra. And every breath you take, every inhale, it gets a little more clear, a little more brighter. As you sit and do this meditation and you breathe, whether it's today or tomorrow, you start to get clouded with thoughts from social media, thoughts and stories that your own mind has created. You sit here and you think of this beautiful violet, bright orb that floats in front of you. We're beginning to connect that spiritual mind with our rational mind. Next few moments, I'm gently going to start to awaken from this. Mindfully present, you acknowledge what you've done for yourself today. And if you like, you can take your hands to your forehead and take a nice deep breath in and deep breath out. One more breath in, deep breath out. May you be happy. May you be free. May you be healthy. And may you find peace. Namaste. Thank you, and have a good Saturday.